Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. In a previous video, I showed you a hedge trimmer from Ryobi I've just bought. Now that was sort of part of a deal. If I bought a hedge trimmer kit, in my case, they'd give me a free gift. And this is what I was really after, although the hedge trimmer will be very handy next year. It's a Ryobi blower. Very good, ideally meant for the garden as a leaf blower. But I use this in the workshop to clean the benches, clean the floors, etc. down, get all the rubbish basically blown out of the garage. There it is. It doesn't come with a battery, it was just a bare device. That's the OBL1820S. Now I'll get this out of the box. You can see what I get, which isn't a lot apart from the motor unit and the nozzle. But nevertheless, we'll get out of the box, have a little look at it. Oh, there you go. I'll say you get a book of words, which is fine. The main nozzle effectively got a replaceable tip, which is going to be handy. You can imagine scraping on the concrete all day long is soon wear the tip down. So I'd imagine you could get those from Ryobi. It also puts a little bit of a kink to it, which is handy for the floor. Simply clips on there, and that's it. Battery in the back. I found the 5 amp batteries, 4 or 5, but particularly the 5 amp, really do work very effectively in these devices. I used to have 1.3 amp batteries, and they're a little bit sort of under the weather, so to speak, when it comes to the current this takes. 5 amps, superb. This is what it's replacing. Done me well for years. Don't know if we've still got it. Yeah, we've got a model number OBL1801. Does still work, but the motor's very, very worn out, very squeaky, and it whines at you. So thankfully for the Ryobi Christmas deal, effectively this was free, or the hedge trimmer was effectively discounted. But yeah, hopefully what more can I say? That's the blower. It'll work. It claims, let me tell you the claims, 245 kilometers an hour. That'll come out at the end when you switch them on. So yeah, 2.6 cubic meters a minute of air, but it's featherweight. It says only 1.6 kilogram. But yeah, it's a nice addition to the Ryobi family, and a good replacement for the old one there. But there you go. Didn't cost me a penny, but they're about £80, £89 I think. No, tell a lie. I think they're £59 on Amazon if you buy the bare machine with no battery. If you buy the kit, you can add about £50 of that. But I'll put links in the description to give you the exact prices. But yeah, the Ryobi blower, there you go. And it works. Thanks for watching.